Kapala chin wa din, kapala slamba boy, sigilas number boy.
This show, he always keep an eye on the young ones, like us, you see. And he once said that if you don't have money to reach out to the radio or anything, go to the internet. Yeah, that's how it is.
Okay.
We must give the young ones a chance.
Okay.
That's all. We must provide a platform from the young ones. The upcoming ones, our Kindly Nash, or Low Kindly Nash, already popping up. That's all. But the young ones, the upcoming ones, we must give them a chance.
Miangala tengi fudi na kuting shaf le dik phela mangiza la cotton pet ko bangzele.
Let's get up and go very on to
I know many, but then the one that I like currently, Tushanga Poster.
I heard they were talking about rag.
Tishanga poster.
Talking about
list.
Mafana. Balanga my notes.
Abafazi, boom, imali, boom, opportunity, my nigga putting niggas on. Boy, you know what I mean?